Good morning, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Friday, November 11th, and it is 8:17 in the morning. We are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So VIX yesterday started to go up a little bit. It opened higher, but then was squished right down. Let's look at the 1-hour chart briefly. So yes, we had a big move down in the morning, and then it basically stayed sideways, going up a little bit. There's a little bit of a trend that it wants to go. Looking at the daily charts here, so we closed below 2382, which was an important support that is now a resistance. And this morning at the opening, there's a very small move up, but we are still below our 2382. So maybe the trend is going to indicate that VIX is going to go even further down. We are back into this downtrend right here. We are back into it after coming out of it for a couple of days right here. Stochastic is very low. We should be still going down, and then the market should be going up. Tesla is sometimes behaving differently than the market, but that's another story. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, look at this big move up right here. After the CPI report, people got excited. It pushed the stock market up. So Dow Jones is still outside of the big downward channel it has been. So maybe yes, we are going to really come out of the bear market that has started in January. So that would be a big event in itself. Let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 is still in its big downward trend. It's still in it, and it's going to be in it until it crosses that line right here that we call a resistance. We have a smaller internal resistance right here that lasted since October 28th, and it was broken yesterday. It seems S&P 500 is then going to resume and go try and test this downward resistance at some point. So it's going to need to break this downward resistance. It's going to take this break of resistance to be able to see that Nasdaq is outside of its downtrend. But this has not happened yet. And let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq, big move up and very close to its downward resistance. Within a couple of days, we are going to see if the market as a whole is getting outside the downtrend. We have just witnessed that Dow Jones is outside of its downtrend. S&P still has a long way, and Nasdaq is very close to be outside of its downtrend. Nasdaq is also below its horizontal resistance at 11,212. It's going to need to break that. Also, of course, we have a DMI bullish signal right here. MACD has also crossed over bullish, and RSI went above 50. Maybe we are noticing a trend change, even though everybody's talking about the possible future crash. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tonight, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.